In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in HubSpot. Adding a professional signature to your email is a crucial part of creating a consistent and polished communication strategy. Whether you're reaching out to clients or collaborating with colleagues, your email signature acts as an essential point of contact and information display. So let's get started on setting it up efficiently in HubSpot. First things first, you need to log in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. It's free to get started, and having an account will grant you access to all the tools HubSpot offers. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, where you have access to various features tailored towards enhancing your marketing efforts and customer relationship management. Next, we need to navigate to the settings for your email signature. Start by locating the general settings in your account. Now, pinpoint the email option under the Settings menu. This is where you'll configure everything related to your emails. Make sure you're in the right section. You'll know you are if you see options specific to email functionalities. Now, click on the page to open it up in the Content Editor. This is where you can manage different aspects of your email settings. It's a straightforward interface designed to help you customize your experience without the need to dive into complicated technical details. With the email settings page open, look for the option to Manage Email Signatures. This feature is central to our task today. By clicking on this option, you'll enter a space where you can create, edit, and manage multiple email signatures. This flexibility allows you to set up different signatures for different purposes or departments within your organization. Once in the Manage Email Signatures area, click on the option to Add New Signature. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your signature. Naming your signature helps in organizing different ones if you plan to have more than one. Enter a name that is easily recognizable and then move on to adding the signature text itself. You have two options here. You can either use the simple editor if you're looking for a quick and straightforward setup, or you can opt for the HTML option for more customization and design freedom. Go ahead and type out your signature text. Make sure to include essential information like your full name, job title, and contact information. If using HTML, feel free to add web links, images, or adjust the text formatting to your liking. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, don't forget to save it. Saving applies it to your email account, ready to be appended to all your outgoing emails. And there you have it. You've successfully added a professional email signature in HubSpot. Following these steps ensures that every email you send carries a touch of your brand's professionalism and personal touch.